How fast can you go from a full sheet to a finished cabinet? If your team is still doing cuts by hand, you're losing money. Miscalculations, inconsistent cuts, wasted material, it adds up fast. Let the machine handle it so your team can focus on the work that actually needs their craftsmanship. A CNC nesting router automatically arranges every cut to squeeze the most out of every sheet. We are talking approximately 4 to 8 full sheets processed per hour, and in some cases around 11 sheets cut for an entire kitchen's worth of cabinet pieces in under 1 hour. That is what this machine is capable of. Your team stops babysitting a table saw and can start focusing on finishing, assembly, and landing more jobs. No rework, no scrap piling up in the corners. If you're building cabinets and you're not running a CNC nesting router, we need to talk.